So we're getting ready to launch our quadcopter up into the air. We got our talent down there a little bit, and so we're going to get a variety of different shots, different altitudes, and we're going to see what happens. Part of what we have to do when flying a quadcopter here in Israel is making sure that we're following all the rules. Back in the United States, I'm a certified drone pilot. That really doesn't mean much here. You have to follow the rules that they have here, jump through all the hoops that they have. When we show up to a location, we already know all the rules and regulations for that particular location. We want to know if there's a no-fly zone, we want to know the rules, how high can we fly. We already have our flight plan, we have our shot list, so we can quickly send the drone up, get our shots, send it back down for a safe landing, pack it up, and then go to our next location. If we're tracking a vehicle or a boat or whatever it might be, our talent is going to always have a walkie-talkie with them so we can communicate directly with them.
Go ahead and turn around and go back to a point on the road. And go ahead.
Many of these locations people only ever see from the ground, so we're able to get up and see these locations from the sky, and it really adds a whole other layer of dynamics to the video. Aerials are just one element that we use, but they're a very important element to telling the story. That's a lot of fun. It's nerve-wracking. It's all the above, but most of all, it's rewarding.